Building great digital experiences for everyone is part of the Neptune DXP's DNA. We enable this by empowering developers with the tools they need to simplify their development processes, including everything from assembling applications and creating custom logic to designing and theming the experience for end users. Since the Neptune DXP enables a build once, deploy everywhere for desktop, tablet and mobile with responsive components, more time is available to focus on creating a great user experience, both functionally and visually. Developers can build applications with Ionic and bootstrap components, which provide a fantastic consumer-grade UX, but also these components fit into the same designer that has already been utilizing the UI5 framework since the platform was created. This framework is tried and tested and gives strong binding capabilities, being model-driven and enterprise-grade, since it's supported by SAP. Here are some examples of the new framework's components in action. They give a consumer-grade look and feel, whilst preserving the underlying development usability of the existing UI5 framework. These days, there's no reason why your business applications should look or work any differently to the applications you use personally on a daily basis. With the Neptune DXP, all of this is possible. But it isn't just about the look and feel that provides a great digital experience for customers and employees. It's also about the capabilities of the applications. Here is an example of just some of the services which can be included within applications developed within the platform. All of these are simple and seamless to configure and integrate. Your imagination really is the limit when it comes to what you want your applications to do. But don't just take our word for it. Our customers agree too. Elkshop is a great example where the Neptune DXP is being used to provide a modern, consumer-grade customer experience with the ability to consume new technologies, and for all of it to be deployed onto any device. Their applications integrate with various systems for thousands of end users, who all get to use applications that look great and work to provide a better experience for everyone.